Hello friends, myself Ajay Ignath Chaudhary and I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering. Today's date is 29 January 2022 and this is the original video and for a topic keywords in Java. What is keywords? Keywords in Java are the reserved words that act as a words a key to the code. As word are predefined, they cannot use for any purpose like variables, name or object name or any other identifiers. Java has around 51 reserved keywords or reserved words or keywords. In this topic, we will discuss about the list of keywords in Java. First one is abstract keywords. Indicates the class or method that follows the this keywords is abstract and that will be implemented by the subclasses. Second one is assert. Assert keywords have to program the declaration of assertion or assumption in program. If assertion is true, program progress normally. Otherwise, the assertion error is thrown at the runtime and program abort. Third one is boolean. Define two values, true or false. Next is break, used to break out the loop or iterative constructor. Next is byte data type, that is capable for holding 8 byte data. Case marks block of text in switch statement. Catches used to catch exception generation in the try block. Next is char data type, able to hold unsigned 16 Unicode character, that is class used to declare a new class. Continue keywords help us to control the outside the loop and continue the next iteration. Default defines block codes that we execute by default in a switch system. Do starting keywords for do while loop. Double data type holding its 64 number bits. Floating point floating point else defines else part if statement. Enum used to declare enumeration in Java. Extend keywords inheritance. A class is derived or inherit from another class. Final defines variables which is hold constant value or method that cannot be overridden. Finally defines finally block that execute after the try catch block, irrespective of whether the exception was catch or not. Float data type, it is able to hold 32 bits of floating point value. For indicates the start of a for loop. If start of if statement indicates that a class implements and interfaces. Import used to includes or reference other packages classes into the program. Instance of used to check if the given object is instance of another class. Int data type is but 32 bit integer value. Interface used to declaring an interface. Next is long data types holding 64 bits integer value. Native used to indicates native codes. Next one is platform new operators to create new object. Next is null it indicates null reference. Next is package keywords to declare packages. Private keywords. Next is indicates private access specified, which means variables or method can be accessed only by the class in which declare. Next is protected. This keywords indicates a protected. Next is access specifier. When a variable is method is protected, then variable or method can be accessed only by class. They are declared in its subclasses and other in same packages. Next is public. Public keywords is used to indicates public access specifier. A variable methods, classes, interfaces declare as a public can be accessed throughout the application. Return its return value used to same block value. of a method calling methods, and also used to return control to the calling method. Next is short data type holding 16 bits integers numbers, that is static keyword. The static keywords indicates a method or variable in static and cannot be instantiated. So thank you for watching my video. It is overall topic of keywords in Java.